Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting session of learning English and improving your speaking skills. Today, I'm going to share with you 15 essential words that will take your English to the next level. If you master these words, your English will not only sound more natural, but you'll also speak with more confidence and fluency. To become a fluent English speaker, it's important to learn and use words that people use every day. Are you ready? Let's dive in and explore these 15 words that will help you speak fluent English in no time. 1. Eventually. For something that will happen later. This word is used to talk about something that will happen at some point in the future, usually after some delay or effort. Example: eventually she understood the importance of time management. 2. Apparently, to show something seems true. We use this word when we are not completely sure, but it seems something is true based on what we've heard or seen. Example: apparently, they've moved to another city without telling anyone. 3. Frankly, to speak honestly and directly. This word is used when you're giving your honest opinion without hiding anything. Example: frankly, I didn't like the movie. It was too slow. 4. Rarely. To show something doesn't happen. Often use this to express something that doesn't happen frequently. Example: I rarely eat out. I prefer home-cooked meals. 5. Precisely. To emphasize accuracy. Use precisely when you want to highlight that something is exact or accurate. Example: that's precisely why we should arrive early. 6. Frequently, to show how often. Something happens. Use this word to show regular or repeated actions. Example: she frequently travels for work. 7. Significantly, to express something as important or noticeable. This is used when something changes in a noticeable or important way. Example: his performance has significantly improved over the last few months. 8. Gradually, for slow and steady change. Use this to describe something that happens little by little over time. Example: he's gradually becoming more confident in speaking English. 9. Technically, to be exact or specific about something. Use this when you're being specific or exact about rules or facts. Example: technically, that rule doesn't apply here. 10. Undoubtedly, to show strong belief or no doubt. Use it when you're confident and sure about something. Example: she is undoubtedly the best player on the team. 11. Eventually, to show something. Happening after a delay. This repeats the earlier word, but with another example. It's a very important word for fluency. Example: eventually I found the perfect book for my project. 12. Surprisingly, to show something unexpected. Use this word to show that something happened which was not expected. Example: surprisingly, the shy student gave the best presentation. 13. Ideally, to describe a perfect situation. Use this when talking about the best or most desired condition. Example: ideally, we should finish this before the weekend. 14. Effectively. To show something works. Well. Use this word when describing how well something is done or how it works. Example: she communicated her ideas effectively during the meeting. 15. Sincerely. To express true feelings or thoughts. Use this when you truly mean what you say. Example: I sincerely hope you succeed in your goals. Emma's journey. Using advanced words in her daily life. Emma was a determined English learner who wanted to sound fluent and confident like a native speaker. She already knew basic English, but she wanted to speak with more depth and maturity. So she made a plan. Every morning she would pick one advanced word and focus on using it during her day. She wrote it on a sticky note and placed it on her mirror. That way she would see it while getting ready and remind herself to use it. One day she chose the word gradually. At lunch, when her friend asked how her English was improving, Emma replied, "Gradually, I'm getting better. I try to practice every day." Her friend was impressed by her natural way of speaking. Another day, she used the word frankly while giving feedback in class. "Frankly, I think we should get more speaking practice in our sessions." Her teacher praised her for being honest and clear. Emma also kept a journal. Each day she wrote a few lines using the word of the day. When she chose the word sincerely, she wrote, "I sincerely want to be fluent in English because it will help me in my career." She even practiced mini conversations with herself using the new words. For example, using precisely, she said to herself, "This is precisely what I needed to understand the lesson better." In just a few weeks, Emma noticed a big change. She was using words like frequently, ideally, surprisingly, and effectively in everyday conversations without thinking twice. Her confidence grew, and so did her fluency. Your turn. Practice makes perfect. Now it's your time to shine. Choose 5 of these new words and try to use them today, in conversations, in writing, or even while talking to yourself. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Remember, fluency comes from usage. Don't just learn these words. Live them, speak them, and make them part of your everyday English. Keep moving forward in your English journey, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Let's go. Which 5 words will you use today? If you like this video and want to improve your English language skills and advance daily using vocabulary, so join this channel for more interesting words and easy and practical tips like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more video. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.